Hi guys, Poco run new flagship smartphone Poco F6 Pro. Link below. Link this smartphone. Link will be in the info box. This smartphone flagship Snapdragon processor 8 generation 2. Smart hypercharger 120 watt. Best quality display WQHD plus 120 Hz Flow AMOLED technology. 15 main camera, iOS stabilization, flagship sensor, light vision, premium design with metal frame. Poco F6 Pro, first smartphone for global. Internal storage 1 TB, maximal version and RAM 16 GB. Complete smartphone unboxing. Box, silicone case, complete charger 120 watt and cable. Fast charging for smartphone. Next testing. Okay, smartphone. Metal frame, power bottom, volume, stereo sound, IR sensor, mic, SIM, 2 SIM, mic, USB-C and 2 stereo dynamic. Main camera 15 MP, OIS, stabilization, flagship sensor, light vision 800, 2 camera 8 megapixel, wide angle and 2 megapixel. Camera setup, video variant settings, resolution HD, Full HD, 4K and 8K. Full HD frame rate variant, 4K variant frame rate and 8K variant frame rate. Very good 4K frame rate. Motion tracking, focus, steady video, macro, teleprompter, photo, night photo, maximal quality 15 MP, slow motion, short films, detector mode, many settings, short films, many setup and double video, front camera and main camera, 2 camera, showed display. Testing detalized photo. Very good detalized flagship sensor. Very good quality case, made, texture, flagship display AMOLED, display resolution Full HD Plus and WQHD Plus. Select 2 variant. 120 Hz refresh rate, dark mode, peak brights 4000. Always on display, flagship variant, display on, always 4 seconds and always flagship variant. Scanner unlock display. Very good work. Next feature, super wallpaper. New flagship wallpaper super the moon and etc. variant. Very good work. HyperOS version 1.02 EU Index Global version and a new update version 1.0.3. After update, new video run my YouTube channel. Internal storage 1 TB, RAM 16 GB, 122 benchmark, very good count and detalized information. Next parameters. Geekbench count, single core and multi-core. Test internal storage and RAM. Internal storage UFS 4.0, RAM LPDDR5X. Throttling test, very good parameters. Fast charging battery, box charger and new feature battery. battery protection, regular charger, optimization charger, nighttime charging protection, and new feature, additional feature, boot charging speed, activate, no activate in box, and next feature. Battery security, battery active display, time 14 hours, YouTube, quality, work time, battery, YouTube online, Full HD, 14 FPS. Maximal testing, game Genshin Impact testing, FPS and temperature. How new flagship Poco F6 Pro? Write the comment.